Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. This patient's come through. This lady's got very tiny little ear canals, so really struggles with wax buildup. Happens quite regularly with this lady, unfortunately. Luckily the wax is on the outer part of the ear canal, so we can use the standard size Zollner tube here just to clear the entrance to the canal first. Very slowly just work our way in. You can see as we're drawing the wax out of the entrance to the canal, it's pulling the wax so much deeper inside, and there we are. I think we managed to clear it there. There you go, there's the eardrum all looking nice and healthy. So this is the same patient but the other ear equally as blocked on this side. So I'm just going to use a standard size Zollner tube again to clear this away. Just working just at the entrance to the canal. You can see just how small the ear canal is because the standard size Zollner tube here, it's the end, probably the nozzle at the end is about 2 mil in diameter, 2 millimeters thereabouts. So you can see just how small that canal is. It's barely accommodating the Zollner tube, but we've managed to clear there. Just get in through those little cilia, and there's the eardrum there. A little bit darker in colour, a bit blue in colour. So this is our second patient in the compilation today. Much harder earwax here, you can see. Not completely blocked the entrance to the canal, so use a little bit of suction. You can see it looks quite wet, so there's been some oil used here. Hasn't actually managed to soften too much of the wax itself. You can see it's quite a hard plug. Wax does tend to dry out over time, so you will get these bigger, harder plugs sometimes. Now what I'm trying to do with the Zollner tube here is maintain a little bit of suction on the wax whilst bringing it forward and manoeuvring it out, because at the moment if I bring this wax straight towards the camera, then the bowl of the ear is here, so it's going to stop this wax from coming out. So what I need to do is bring the wax forward while also bringing it towards the left side of the screen, so take it around the corner. It's difficult to get a good grip on it though, because the surface is so hardened up and so flat that sometimes you can't always get a really good suction grip. So just wiggling it, there you go. Just start to see it come around the bend now, so we can get this out a little bit more effectively. Just trying to find any grip we can. There we are. So quite a long little piece of wax there. There's a little bit left up the ceiling of the ear canal there, so we'll just take that away. Get a good look at the drum. The eardrum looks nice and healthy, nice and clear now. So this is the same patient but the second ear. You can see very similar problem on this side. Large chunk of wax sitting about 1/3 of the way into the canal. Should be easy enough to remove with the standard sized Zollner tube here though. Just a quick note, if you haven't already checked out the premiere that went live on Sunday, you can still view that and look at all the comments and everything that happened. Here we are, just broken a little bit off. You can see it's a bit on the dry side. As we're getting a grip on this wax, you can see little bits breaking away, getting sucked into the suction machine here. Trying to roll the wax forwards so that we can create a gap at the top, which will allow us then to wiggle the wax up and down to maneuver it out of the canal a little bit better. You can see this smoother wax that's been sitting against the canal wall. Sometimes that's easier to get a grip on than the very uneven surface that we have at the front. Wax is funny. If the wax is too flat, it can be a problem with the suction. If it's too lumpy, too bumpy on the front, then obviously you don't get a good suction grip. But every time we try and turn this wax at the moment, we're just breaking another piece off, which is getting sucked into the suction tank at the front of the machine. There we are. Managed to get it out and around the bend now. Too big to fit out of the ear canal. So wiggling it, breaking pieces away, just manoeuvring it out a little bit better. There we go. There we are. And there's the eardrum. All looking nice and healthy there as well. So this is what got sucked into the suction tank at the front. There's some water in there as well. You can see the bits have got stuck in there. And this is what we removed from this second patient. So you can see some quite large pieces there as well, centimetre, just 1 inch worth altogether. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.